Hello, dear viewers. How are you doing today? How's everything? Today, I brought you one of the most important lessons, which all related to the preposition. So, there are about seven preposition that a lot of my students they find difficult. And today, I created videos to explain it the way in a very clear-cut manner, so that you understand it well, inshallah. Okay, the very first thing we have got here, suffer from. A lot of people are saying suffer about or suffer in, where it's going to be considered incorrect. In addition, some people are using suffer of. No, it's incorrect. The very important option is to say correctly, is to use the from preposition with the word suffer. Let me give you some example for better understanding. Here we have got here, my wife is suffering from hepatitis. Hepatitis is a kind of disease that somebody will be facing with, honestly. Yeah, the next we have is congratulate, or we can say congratulation. Congratulate is the verb form, and congratulation is the noun form. In addition, with two of them, two important prepositions are used. We can also we can either use on or we can use the for preposition. In addition, when we use two preposition on or for doing something. Okay, let me give an example. Here we have got some example. They congratulated the team on or for having won all the games. Listen, you have to listen here. We have got here two important preposition, which on and for. We have got two important preposition and two of them are going to be considered correct. You don't have to worry, it's not incorrect. Okay, the next we have is I must congratulate you on your exam result. We can only use here the word, only the on preposition. You can also use for, but the on is going to be very good here. So actually, like the for, when we have an ing or we can say a gerund form, we just use the ing form of the verb after to the preposition, after for exactly. Okay, we have got here the last one, not the last one, the third one, disappointed with or disappointed in somebody. In addition, there are two important prepositions which we can use it correctly. We can also say with and we can say in. Both of them are going to be correct. Don't have to worry about the using it, about the usage. Okay, let me give an example here. His father never should if he was disappointed with in me. When it comes to somebody, there are two important prepositions. We can also use in and with. Both of them are going to be correct. Okay, the number four we have is divide into. A lot of people are saying generally divide in, what's going to be considered incorrect in the English language. It is better to say divide into, not divide in, right? Let me give an example. This book is divided into three parts. Look, the preposition is used here. In addition, there are two very important ways about the spelling and about the written form. A lot of people are saying ain and to, they are writing them separately. They do not writing like together. That's also correct. But in the modern English, into is very admittable. It's very acceptable to use it. Okay, I hope you understand. The number five we have is increase in, or we can say increase in activity, output, etc. Like not wolf. A lot of people are saying increase of productivity, increase of salary. No, what's going to be considered incorrect. The best way is to say increase in, not increase of. This preposition is totally correct. Increase within, increase in activity. Okay, the next we have, let me give an example first here, right? He would like to see a big increase in productivity. You have to understand well, we have got here the preposition. This preposition goes directly with increase. And after this, we have got here now what is productivity. Increase in productivity. I hope you understand. The next we have is through at. You may have already seen this before. A lot of people are saying you cannot say in a peaceful way. For example, you're playing football with your friends, with the classmates. It could be anybody generally. You're telling them, please throw the ball at me. It means that you told them in an aggressive manner. You told them aggressively. If somebody would like to throw something at you a little bit, we call it an aggressive manner, then they are gonna use we call it through at. When it comes to a peacefully or a peaceful way, somebody tell you or somebody threw something to you, we do not use at. It's better to use to instead of at. Okay, let me give an example to throw at. We say stop throwing stones at car. You need to tell the person very strictly, hey man, what's going on here? You do not have to throw these stones at the car, right? The car will be scratched, maybe. Okay, the next we have is through to. It's not aggressive. And through to, where do we use through to generally? Through to in a game or etc. There are many usages which we can use it. Except aggressions, we can use it in any other ways. It's not very difficult, honestly. You keep watching the example. If you get the ball, throw it to me. You see here, we have got the preposition to, which totally fixed, which is acceptable and going to be considered correct to use it with a verb through. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any sort of question, please comment below for next video. Thank you very much.